that's a meatball. Bus Cooks, he's showing you the way to the best meatballs you've ever tasted. That's right, now let's get cooking.
All right, are you ready for the best meatballs you've ever had? Sorry, Nona, but these are the best. So, large bowl out, 8 ounces of ricotta cheese, whole milk. Then we're going to put 2 eggs in there. We'll get our spatula out, and we're going to mix this up real good, break down that ricotta, and mix it up nice until it becomes smooth. Then we're going to add some fresh ground pepper right to it, just like that. Now, we're going to have a pound of ground beef and a pound of Italian sausage. As far as your sausage, you can use mild, you can use sweet, you can use hot. I wanted to spice it up a little bit, so I'm going to go with the hot Italian sausage. Yeah, I got my wooden spoon out, and I'm just going to help break it up with that. Right in there with the cheeses. Then I'll come back with the ground beef, and I'm going to use my hand to kind of break small pieces right into it, like you see right there. And once we get all that ground beef in there, we're going to put on some rubber gloves, because we're going to have to get into this sucker with our hands to really mix it up real well. But let's get started with the rest of our seasonings. 2 cloves of minced garlic, about 1/4 cup of Italian breadcrumbs, about 1/4 cup of chopped up Italian parsley, and I also have some sun-dried tomatoes that I chopped up nice and fine. And make sure you get sun-dried tomatoes that are dry, not in the oil. Then 12 ounces of whole milk shredded mozzarella and 4 ounces of shredded Parmesan. Now the fun stuff. We get in there with our hands, and we gotta mix this up real good. Make sure it is mixed up a lot. And when we're done, you're gonna see it's gonna look like one giant meatball. Look at that. That's what you want right there. Perfectly mixed up. Now, as far as making the meatballs, I find it best to use an ice cream scoop. You can just scoop in there like you're scooping ice cream. Squeeze that lever. Falls right out in your hand. You can make the ball perfectly and put it on your tray. I'm using a cookie tray with a silicone bottom so nothing sticks. If you don't have that kind of bottom, just get yourself some parchment paper. That'll work as well. And you'll see right here, I'm going right in there just like ice cream. Boom, scoop it in, drop it in your hand, roll it up into a perfect little ball, and put it right on the tray. And the other thing about the ice cream scooper is every meatball is almost identical in size. So it works great. So if you don't have the ice cream scooper, you're just going to have to find yourself a nice, good sized spoon and kind of eye it. But I would suggest going to your local CVS or something and just get yourself an ice cream scooper. It makes life easier when it comes to meatballs. So I've got my oven preheated to 370 degrees. So once we finish making all these meatballs, we're going to pop this right into the oven. And we're going to cook these for about 30 minutes. And that'll be the perfect temperature. And then we'll pull them out. We'll put them on a plate, and then we'll serve them up with some, I did a little ramekin side of marinara sauce. I think I did 3 meatballs and a side of marinara. And you have got the moistest, tastiest, deliciousest meatballs I think you're ever going to taste. I mean, they just melt in your mouth. They're cheesy, they're meaty, they're flavorful with the parsley and the sun-dried tomatoes. I mean, these are just amazing. You got to make them. Everybody's going to love them. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember, new show every Thursday afternoon and Sunday morning. Tell your friends and family all about us. Like, share, subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video. I appreciate you all very much.
Oh, now that's a meatball. Bus Cooks, he's showing you the way to the best meatballs you've ever tasted. That's right, now let's get cooking. In a large mixing bowl, add 8 ounces of ricotta cheese and 2 eggs. Mix them together until smooth. Now add 1 pound of Italian sausage, hot or mild, your choice, along with 1 pound of ground beef, 2 minced garlic cloves, Italian breadcrumbs, fresh chopped Italian parsley, chopped sun-dried tomatoes, 12